guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, if you're looking for the first exclusive look at all of our vehicles, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. And here we have it, a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396. Built in June 16, 1969, and verified as an X66 Fathom Green Camaro. This Camaro has a 375 horsepower L78 motor with a 4-speed M22 Rock Crusher transmission. Fully restored from the inside to the outside, from top to bottom. This car is correct as it gets, with a full factory style interior and a few amenities added, such as power steering, and it even has a hidden air conditioning. This Camaro is one not to be missed. And for your added convenience, we broke this video up into a few different sections. So if you wanted to, you could fast forward to your favorite part. Now I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take this ride as well as all of our other rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. After you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner and you'll be able to get a virtual 360-degree interior tour as well. And we here at No Reserve Classics know about all of our cars because we own all of our cars. And with that being said, this is not a consignment vehicle and is sold directly by No Reserve Classics. So if you have any questions on how to get this Camaro into your driveway, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. Refinished, it's an original Fathom green paint. This SS396 Camaro is also sporting a white painted hockey stripe traveling from the ZL1 special ducted hood down to the trunk. The front and rear of this Camaro has a D80 spoiler package installed. Along the straight body lines, a set of 15-inch rally wheels have been installed and wrapped with a 225/60/15 in the front and a larger 235/60/15 in the rear, all together with a BF Goodrich Radial TA white letter tires. All of the chrome on the exterior components have been correctly restored and replaced with OEM parts. Chrome wheel moldings have been added for a more appealing exterior, and it added for your convenience is the passenger side mirror to better assist in today's world of driving. Underneath the hood, this is an SS396 with the optional 375 horsepower L78 engine that has been completely rebuilt and restored. With many options that were installed, such as the N40 power steering and the J52 power disc brakes, this SS396 has been modified in a way that it was made better. How could that be? By adding a lower mounted air conditioning system. This system is made from vintage air conditioning and allows you to enjoy those hot summer nights while you cruise in style and comfort. A serpentine system has made all this possible and also includes a high amp alternator. Atop of this 396 sits a Holley numbered 4346 4-barrel carburetor, a correct Winters aluminum intake manifold, and even has the correct heads to this 4-bolt main. Mated to this 396 is a correct 4-speed manual M22 Rock Crusher transmission, argued the best 4-speed transmission ever produced. With a no-frills interior, this SS has a factory-styled black vinyl interior that has been reupholstered to add more comfort. Grasping a rarely seen NK1 steering wheel connects you to the road. Atop, also from the factory, are all the correctly working gauges, and even a hidden temperature gauge has been installed inside the ashtray. It has no center console, but a flat handle Hurst shifter connected to the M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission. The factory AM radio was replaced with an aftermarket radio that appears factory, but has the modern amenities of adding your smartphone with one simple connection, letting you take a step back in time with a drivable piece of the past. An underbody of any classic car will tell you just how restored or kept, and this Camaro is solid and stout. With a toy-like appearance, this Camaro has been quoted, "The perfect car for car shows, Camaro events, and local cruise nights," by Jerry McNeish himself. The underbody has the original floors with no signs of patchings or cuts. The underbody has also undergone a recent restoration with a ceramic rock coating protection that has been applied to further protect the undercarriage. Getting all of those 375 horses to the ground is an original 12-bolt rear end with 373 gearing and posi track, so no more one-legged burnouts. And lastly, a chambered exhaust has been installed, shouting out all of those 375 horses coming out of this turbojet Camaro. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.